Eating the blends is one of the worst things you can do when teaching a student with dyslexia. I'm Paula Smith, founder of Reading Success Academy and spellingclasses.com, where we help struggling readers and spellers to get on grade level in 60 days or less. Now, back to the blends, as so many phonics teachers call them. The blends are groups of 2 or 3 consonant sounds in a row that are taught together. For example, some 2-letter blends are GL, SP, and CR, like in glass, spell, and crunch. Some 3-sound blends are SPR, SCR, and STR, like in spring, scratch, and stretch. I don't teach blends for a number of reasons. The most important reason is that students with dyslexia have a hard time knowing where the sounds are in a word and what letters represent those sounds. By teaching them a lot of different combinations of letters blended together, they can't identify which actual letters represent the sounds in the blends. Another reason I don't teach blends is because it slows down the process. I teach students how to blend sounds and segment sounds so that regardless of the order of the combination of letters, students can apply those skills effectively. Why teach them all the different combinations when you can just teach them the skill that they can use for every word? Just to give you an idea of how many blends phonics teachers are teaching, take a look at this. Look at all those different combinations of letters that students are learning and memorizing. And those are just the 2-letter blends. Wouldn't it be faster to just teach what each of the letters represent individually and how to blend them in any combination? It is a lot less information to learn that way. A common spelling mistake occurs when students don't know where sounds begin and end in words. I'll give you an example of that. If I were to teach a student the blend gur and then presented them with the word gas, most of the time they'll tell me the word is grass because they've cemented the G and the R together so well, they can't take them back apart. So that affects reading, but it also affects spelling when it's time to spell the word grass. This is what I see students who learn blends do when it's time to spell. They'll say grass. Well, you can see where the mistake is. They left out the R because when they were writing this letter, they were saying gur. Since they had already said those sounds together, there's no cue for them to put that R in there. They'll just say gur and then go on to the next sound. What I teach is for them to say each sound as they write the letters, but to segment each of those sounds, meaning take each of those sounds apart so that they're saying g, r, a, s, grass. And now we have it spelled correctly, representing each sound in the word. I hope that information serves you. If you'd like more information about how to teach reading and spelling more effectively, please book a free Zoom consultation with me. See you again soon.